Good morning, students. In this class, we can see 12th standard biobotany, chapters 10, continuation. The last two classes we have seen about this topic, economically useful plants and then entrepreneurial botany. In this class, we can see about oil seeds. See, examples of oil seeds are groundnut, sesame, etc. Oils can be classified in two types, namely essential oils and vegetable oils. Fatty acid in oil may be saturated or unsaturated. The oil yielding plants are groundnut, sesame, sunflower, coconut, and mustard. Oils are used in cooking, making soaps, and other purposes. Then now you can see groundnut. Its botanical name is Arachis hypogaea, family Fabaceae. Then its origin and area cultivation is it is native of Brazil. Portuguese introduced groundnut into Africa. The Spanish took it into Southeast Asia and India via Philippines. In India, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan are top producers. Then nuts contain about 45% oil. The kernel are also rich source of phosphorus and vitamins, particularly thiamine, riboflavin and niacin. It is a premium cooking oil because it does not smoke. Lower grade oil is used in the manufacture of soaps and lubricants. Then sesame or otherwise called gingerly oil. See, its botanical name is Sesamum indicum. This is coming under the family of Pedalaceae. The origin and area cultivation is as originated from Africa. It is cultivated as a dry land crop. West Bengal and Madhya Pradesh are the top producers in India during 2017-18. It is considered as a healthy oil in southern Indian culture. Then because the use of this sesame oil, it is mostly used for culinary purposes in India. Lower grades are used in the manufacture of soaps, in paint industries, as a lubricant and as a illuminant. In India, the oil is the base of most of the scented oils used in perfumes. Sesame seed racks are popular throughout India. Then we can see about beverages. Beverages contain alkaloids and that stimulate central nervous system. Non-alcoholic beverages are coffee, tea and cocoa. Then coffee. See, botanical name is Coffea arabica. It is coming under the family of Rubiaceae. Then its origin and area cultivation, if we see, that is the prime source of commercial coffee, which is native to the tropical Ethiopia, Yemen to Mysore. Karnataka is the largest coffee producing state in India, followed by Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Tamil Nadu is the largest consumer of coffee in India. And here drinking coffee in moderation provides the following health benefits. Caffeine enhances release of acetylcholine in brain, which acetylcholine in brain. Actually, this acetylchloride in brain, which enhances efficiency. It can lower the incidence of fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, and cancer. It may reduce the risk of type 2 diabetes. Now we can see spices, accessory food mainly used for flavoring during food production, preparation to improve their palatability. Spices were used throughout the world for several years. Cardamom is a queen of spices used for flavoring, confectionaries and beverages. And black pepper, it is called as the king of spices. It is also called as black gold of India. Its botanical name is Piper nigrum. The family it is coming under the family of Piperaceae. The origin and area cultivation, it's mainly found in Western Ghats of India. Then Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu are the top producers in India. The characteristic piquancy of the pepper is due to the presence of alkaloid piperin. There are two types of pepper available in the market, namely black and white pepper. Then it is used for flavoring in the preparation of sauces, soups, curry powder and pickles. It is used in medicine as an aromatic stimulant for enhancing salivary and gastric secretions, and also as a stomachache. Pepper also enhances the bioabsorption of medicines. Then cardamom, its botanical name is Eleutheria cardamomum. See, is coming under the family of Gingiberaceae. Origin and area cultivation is it is also called as the queen of spices. In India, it is one of the main cash crop cultivated in the Western Ghats and northeastern India. See, the seeds have a pleasing aroma and a characteristic warm, slightly pungent taste. It is used for flavoring confectioneries, bakery products and beverages. The seeds are used in the preparation of curry powder, pickles and cakes. Medicinally, it is employed as a stimulant and it is carminative. It is also chewed as a mouth freshener. Then turmeric, see, botanical name is Curcuma longa. It is coming under the family Gingiberaceae. The origin and area cultivation, it is the largest producer, consumer and exporter of turmeric. Say Erode in Tamil Nadu is the world's largest wholesale turmeric market. See, it is the one of the most important ancient Indian spices and used traditionally over thousands of years for culinary, cosmetics, dyeing and for medicinal purposes. It is an important constituent of curry powder. Turmeric is used as a coloring agent in pharmacy, confectionery and food industry. Rice colored with turmeric is considered sacred and auspicious, which is used in ceremonies. It is also used for dyeing leather, fiber, paper and toys. Then curcumin extracted from turmeric is responsible for the yellow color. Curcumin is a very good antioxidant which may help fight various kinds of cancer. It has anti-inflammatory, anti-diabetic, antibacterial, antifungal and antiviral activities. It stops platelets from clotting in arteries, which leads to heart attack. The chilies, also called as red pepper, its botanical name is Capsicum annuum. Is coming under the family Solanaceae. Then its origin and area cultivation. It is native to South America and is popularly known as chilies or red pepper in English. India is a leading producer and exporter of the annum. As an important cultivated species of chilies. Then it is here the fruits of annum are less pungent than fruit of frutescens. Then annum includes large sweet bell peppers. Long fruit cultivars of this species are commercially known as cayenne pepper, which are crushed powder and used as condiments. Chilies are used in the manufacture of sauces, curry powder and preparation of pickles. Capsaicin is an active component of chilies. It has pain relieving properties and used in pain relieving balms. Chilies are a good source of vitamin C, A and E. Then condiments, flavoring substances having sharp taste usually added to food after cooking. Then tamarind, botanical name is Tamarindus indica. That is also coming under the family Fabaceae. See, it is a native and tropical African region and was introduced into India several thousand years before. It is cultivated in India, Myanmar, South Asian countries and several African and Central American countries. The name Tamarind is of Arabian origin, which means dates of India. Then it is used in flavoring sauces. In India, the fruit pulp is but a major ingredient for many culinary preparations. Sweet tamarind are sold as staple food in India, which is imported from Thailand and Malaysia. Then fibers are botanically, fiber is a long, narrow, thick walled cell. It is classified into classified on the based on their uses as textile fiber, brush fibers, platy fibers, filling fibers, etc. Then cotton, jute, and the coconut are fiber yielding plants. Here you can see these pictures. Then timber, the basic need of shelter is obtained from the timber trees. The best example is teak. The botanical name is Tectona grandis. It is coming under the family Laminaceae. This is a native to Southeast Asia. It is observed wild in Assam, but cultivated in Bengal, Assam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Northwest India. It is one of the best timber of the world. The hardwood is golden yellow to golden brown when freshly sawn, turning darker when exposed to light. Known for its durability as it is immune to the attack of termites and fungi. The wood does not split or crack and is a carpenter-friendly wood. It was the chief railway carriage and wagon wood in India. Ship building and bridge building depends on teak wood. It is also used in making boat toys, plywoods, door frames and doors. Teak, rosewood and ebony are woods used for making furniture. Then latex, rubber is produced from the latex of Hevea brasiliensis. Then best example rubber, its botanical name is Hevea brasiliensis. Then it is originated, it's native to Brazil. It's an important cash crop. Kerala is the largest producer in India, followed by Tamil Nadu. Then tire and other automobile parts are manufactured from this rubber, containing 70% of rubber production. Rubber is used in manufacturing footwear, wire and cable insulations, raincoat, household and hospital goods, shocks, absorbers, belt, sports goods, etc. Then concentrated latex is used for making gloves, balloons and condoms. Now we can see dyes. Dyes have been used since ancient times. Indigo was extracted from the leaves of Indigofera. The orange dye henna is from the leaves of Lawsonia. The henna botanical name is Lawsonia inermis. It is coming in the family Lythraceae. Origin and area cultivation, it is native to North Africa and Southwest Asia, grown mostly throughout India, especially in Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. Then it is an orange dye. The henna is obtained from the leaves and young shoots of Lawsonia inermis. Principal coloring matter of leaves, lacosone, is harmless and causes no irritation to the skin. This dye has long been used to dye skin, hair and fingernails. They used for coloring leather, for the tails of horses and in hair dyes. Then we can see cosmetics. Cosmetics have high commercial value and have become chemical based industrial products. Example aloe, as a botanical name is aloe vera. Then it is native to Sudan. Then it is cultivated on large scale in Rajasthan, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Aloin is a mixture of glucosides and its gel are used as skin tonic. There's a cooling effect and moisturizing characteristic and hence used in preparation of creams, lotions, shampoos, shaving creams, etc. It is used in the application for the but it is used for aging skin. We can apply this one. It will make it as fresh. Then products prepared from aloe vera leaves have multiple properties such as emollient, antibacterial, antioxidant, antifungal, and antiseptic properties. Aloe vera gel is used in skin care. In skin care cosmetics, we are using aloe vera gel. Now we can see perfumes. They are volatile and aromatic in nature, manufactured from essential oils which are found at different parts of plant. Example, jasmine. This is botanical name is Jasminum grandiflorum. Coming under family Oleaceae. It is a floral perfume ranks next to the rose oil. It has a floral. It is native of the northwestern Himalayas. Tamil Nadu, the major jasmine cultivation centers are Madurai and Thovalai of Kanyakumari district. The essential oil is present in the epidermal cell of the inner and outer surface of both the sepals and petals. Uses damson flask have been used since ancient times in India for worship, ceremonial purposes, incense and fumigants, as well as for making perfume, hair oils, cosmetics and soaps. It is an essential oil that is valued for its soothing, relaxing, antidepressant.